Look at this new 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Sierra 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the SLE Preferred Equipment Group, emissions, federal requirements, Summit Light, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, jet black, cloth seat trim, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timing speed 85 compatible, flex fuel and the transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy duty, electronically controlled LED. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.